Hi everyone. What do you know about Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day in the US and in Florida is a big deal. People celebrate their love for their partner, but they can also celebrate love and caring for a friend, a family member, or even a pet. Today's lesson with Learn English Florida will talk about Valentine's Day in the US and in Florida. In Valentine's Day in the US, people buy greeting cards. They buy chocolates. They buy balloons. They buy stuffed animals like bears. They give these items to people they care for. Like I said, that may be a romantic partner, but it could also be a friend, family member, or even a pet. But Valentine's Day is also a big business in the US. In 2023, people spent $25.9 billion on Valentine's Day. That's a lot of money. 1 in 3 people in the US spent at least $50 on their partner for Valentine's Day. And about 58% of people in the US celebrate Valentine's Day. There's also been a movement to celebrate Valentine's Day even if you're single. There's something called Galentine's Day with a G, Galentine's Day, where groups of women may get together to celebrate or go out to dinner. Speaking of going out to dinner, that's another big part of Valentine's Day. Many restaurants will have special menus. You better have a reservation if you're going out for dinner on Valentine's Day. It can be hard to find a table. In Florida, Valentine's Day is similar to the rest of the US. But one difference may be that we have beautiful beaches that people like to visit. So people may watch a sunset on Valentine's Day evening and enjoy it with their partner. Or they may go to a restaurant near the beach where they can look at the beautiful view. Some people may even choose to get married or renew their vows on Valentine's Day. If you're looking to celebrate Valentine's Day, but you wait until the last minute and you live in the US, don't worry. You can usually find roses at the grocery store, or chocolates, or people selling flowers by the side of the road on Valentine's Day to give to your loved one. Our English lesson specific practice for today will focus on words with B, V, and P. People in some languages have problems with these sounds. So I'm going to say a set of 2 words together and you can repeat and listen for the different sounds, okay? Number 1, if you'd like to repeat, bent with a B, and vent. Do you see when you make the V sound in English, you use your teeth more, V, but the B sound is more with your lips. Number 2, ban, and van. Number 3, best, and vest. Number 4, bat, and vat. vat. Number 5, berry, like the little fruit. Berry. And very. Very. Just looking at our words here. The next 4 sets are going to compare a V versus P sound. So, number 6, vi with a V, and pie, pie. Number 7, veil, veil, and pale, pale. Number 8, verse, verse, and purse, purse. And number 9, vine, vine, and pine, pine. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching today's lesson. Happy Valentine's Day.